The nutrient content of various organic manures is like this. Production of organic manures is a big business now. The producers of organic inputs must get Organic Input Certificate. Only certified inputs are allowed in organic farming. These manures should have brown or black color and 15 to 25% moisture. It should not have any bad smell. These manures must have a minimum of 12% organic carbon, 0.8% nitrogen, 0.4% phosphorus, and 0.4% potash. Carbon to nitrogen ratio should be at least 20:1, and pH must be in between 6.5 and 7.5. The upper limit of heavy metals in the organic manures is like this. Now let us know the methods of production and usage of various organic manures. Most of the traditional farmers use substandard manures. In the Western Ghat regions, this kind of manure pits of 8 to 10 feet depth are common. Since it is in an open place, it gets wet during rains and dries up under the hot sun, losing most of its nutrients. Excess heat accumulates in deeper layers due to lack of aeration. Useful aerobic microbes die and manure becomes a heap of pathogens. Manure decays instead of decomposition. This manure is of poor quality and is heaped on the farm well before its incorporation into the soil. The manure dries up and loses its nutrients here also. This substandard manure cannot give expected results. Let the manure pit be of 3 foot depth. Protect it from rainwater and direct sun. It is better if the materials are heaped on the ground itself. Adding sheep and poultry manures, wood ash and dicot herbages with the farm wastes will improve the nutrient content of the manure. Japanese method of composting is popular for quick and good quality manure production. Here, bricks are used to build a tank above the ground. Let the height and width be 3 feet each. Length is according to your convenience. The main point is to have holes on the walls like this for aeration. We can even use wood like this to save cost. Put fibrous materials at the bottom. Then put a layer of cow dung. Then spread dry leaves and farm waste in a layer. Spread cow dung again. Repeat these layers till the tank is full. Put dicot herbage and green materials on the top layer. At the end, cover it with fertile topsoil layer. Spread straw or dry leaves on the pit to avoid drying. Manure will decompose fully within 2 to 3 months in this method. Nutrient content of the compost from this Japanese method is better than the sunken pit. This is the aerobic method of composting. Raw materials are heaped on the hard floor. Let the height and width of the heap be 5 to 6 feet each. Length is according to your convenience. Shade net is spread on the pendal to avoid direct sunlight. Spread dry leaves, organic farm waste, dicot herbage, wood ash, etc. in layers. Wet each layer with cow dung slurry and water. It is better if neem and castor cakes, rock phosphate, sheep and poultry manures, etc. are added. It is desirable to use organic matter decomposition microbial mixture for fast and better decomposition. This contains nitrogen fixing and phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, mycorrhiza for potash, pleurotus fungus for fiber degradation, and trichoderma for pathogen control. If this OMD microbial mixture is not available, use compost which was prepared using such mixture. Or at least put a layer of fertile soil. Keep the heap moist by sprinkling water. Spreading cow dung slurry and panchagavya will give better result. Insert bamboo or perforated PVC pipe in the heap for better aeration. Compost will be ready for use within 1.5 months itself in this aerobic method. Even coconut coir pith becomes good compost if OMD mixture is used. But it takes 3 months' time for decomposition. Most of the commercial organic manure producers follow this method. Use of 2 tons of this compost gives better result than 5 tons of conventional manures. We can get still better compost by feeding this to earthworms.